Good afternoon from Phuket, Thailand. It's your boy Robbie Winstone, and welcome to another episode of What a Feed. Today, currently chilling here at my local villa pool. This is a communal pool shared by all the villas, as you can see in the background. And today you're going to be joining me on a Thai/Western experience of food. So during the week, one of my friends I've met on this current trip, she recommended an absolutely great restaurant called Mama's. I did go down there and try it. It was absolutely delicious food. And what we've done today is we've ordered on the local Grab app, which delivers food, and it's also the app where you can get a motorbike or a taxi at really good prices. So we've got some food about to be delivered, and we've gone some healthy options, some Thai options, and some Western options. So what I've ordered today is a super juice. We've gone some traditional Thai style with the chicken pad Thai. We've also gone a health food with a protein bar, and we've gone Western style chicken club sandwich. So we've got 4 items for a total of approximately 530 baht. So the Grab driver's on his way now. We're gonna get the food, we're gonna try each bit of food, and we're gonna give you a food review. So, if you do enjoy Winstone travel content, please make sure you do hit the subscribe button. And if you feel inclined to do so, please consider buying me a coffee. It does help with the videos that I do create each and every month. Enough from me, and let's get into today's food review on What a Feed. I hope you enjoy. Hello, my friend. How are you? You good? You have some trouble. That's okay. It's okay. You're doing a good job. Yeah, shall I? It's okay. Okay, just pop here, bro. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, what a feed, lads. What a feed. Okay, how much? One, two. Okay, 534 baht. Okay. Oh, shit. Right, there's 1.
1,
Here you go.
2,
Yep. 3, 4, 5. There you go. No problem. It's yours. Thank you.
okay, thank you.
Cup and cup.
ขอบคุณครับ ผมพูดอังกฤษไม่เก่งคือไม่เก่งอังกฤษ
Communicating.
ใช่
Yeah, no, it's good English, man. And we want to say thank you because you're doing a really good job. Very good job. Thank you, my bro.
ครับ
Take care.
สวัสดีครับ
Let's go. All right, so we've got our food, mate. And I'll tell you what, these lads, mate. Yeah, let's go. All right, so we've got all our little food. So now we can do what a feed. We're going to try a little bit of each. I'm not going to eat the whole lot, but I just like to, get the traditional standards of what Thailand's all about, and I love this place. So the first item on today's What a Feed review is the perfect morning juice. So it comes in a little cup, comes in a bag. Now, if you're from Australia, if you were a kid, you might remember every time you went to the local aquarium and you wanted to get your first goldfish, it'd come in a bag, something like that. So all I know is that's got a lot of beautiful fruits in there. Don't ask me what is exactly in it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the screenshot so you can check out what's actually in this juice, and let's give it a crack. Okay, so it's a little bit of a struggle getting it, but here we go. We finally got it. As you can see. Got to be careful so I don't spill this contents of the juice. Right, so let's give this juice a taste test. Bit of a shake. Oh my God, lads. OMG. Now I'll tell you what, as I said, I don't know what's in that, but talking about being healthy, that is a health food, and I'm digging that. I'll give it like a 4.5 out of 5. And hopefully it's going to give me the gains that I need for the session, which is arms, this afternoon. All right, item number 2. So we've gone the traditional chicken club sandwich. It's a Western item on the menu. So let's have a look. But it's packed full of goodness. So this chicken club sandwich, it's got chicken, lettuce, tomato, looks like garlic mayo or aioli. But we'll give this one a taste test, lads. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Tasty, crunchy sauce, second to none. Probably making a bit of mess on my face, but I'll tell you that's about a 3.5, maybe 4. Decent. Maybe it's a bit soggy because of the grab driver got a bit lost before. So probably a little bit soggy than I usually would like, but overall, I'll give it about a 3.5 and a 5 star. Okay, the next item on the menu is the chocolate protein bar. Now, I did try this one the other day at Mama's, and tell you what, it is a aesthetically good looking protein bar. But let's give this one a taste test. Get around it. I'll tell you what, for a protein bar, I'll give that 5 stars. Look, I didn't even get the dirty fingers. I literally just got myself caught in the cookie jar. But now that protein bar, absolutely. I'm going to take another cheeky bite. How good is that? Get amongst it. Mama's. Just off Soi Ta-iad. 5 stars. Yummy. Now, I didn't even realise that this club sandwich actually came with fries, but I wasn't planning on eating fries, but we're going to try a couple. Just a couple. All right, because I am trying to eat better as I'm eating some French fries, but okay. Not too bad. Bit soggy, that's the problem. I'm sure they're really good. Really flaked on the salt there. I'd give them a 3 based on the taste, but I guarantee you if I was at Mama's, it'd be like second to none. So it's hard to say because it got delivered. Everything's a bit rushed here in Thailand, so, but currently a 3. Okay, and now for the main event. The chicken and shrimp pad thai. Have a look at that. Now we haven't got any cutlery for some strange reason, so I have found a little teaspoon. So this one is gonna have to do for now. But we get, this is my opinion, I think lime, lemon or lime with anything just gives it that extra flavor. It gives it something, you know, it's like when it's 3/4 time in any sport, or it's coming into the last round of a mixed martial arts fight. You just got to give yourself a little bit of something. Well, this something is just like the juice, which I'm about to spray on this chicken and shrimp pad thai. Oh yeah, that will get the flavors running through the noodles. Oh, yummy. So have a look at this, lads. Can't even really, we can't even get a good gauge. I need chopsticks or a fork, but let's have a feed, lads. I'm trying my best. All right, here we go. With a little teaspoon. I can't even get, here we go. That is, oh, get amongst it. Chicken pad thai, I'm gonna have another bite. Just another bite before we confirm the overall rating. I can't even get this in my gob, mate. Here we go. Lads, as I just get the little tail out from the shrimp, but lads, 5 star. 5 star for the chicken pad thai at Mama's, just off Soi Ta-iad. here in Chalong. So for the overall experience of getting a grab to bring the food, took less than 25 minutes, to ordering the food, to eating the food, to enjoying the food, I'd give the overall experience about a 4 out of 5-star review. I think it wasn't the grab driver's fault. He was just a little bit confused of where I was staying. The food, I think, would be better if you're to eat it in store, because obviously it gets brought out fresh on a plate and you're going to eat it straight away. So that would be a better experience. Everything's a little bit soggy. So I guess that's expected for delivered food, but like overall, 4 out of 5 stars. I hope you enjoyed today's What a Feed review. And I'm going to start doing videos like this. Why not, guys? I'm over here. I'm going to be spending a hell of a lot of time over here, potentially living here. I'm not dropping any official, rumors or Chinese whippers or innuendos, but it is something that's possibly on the cards in the near future. So if you do enjoy What a Feed reviews, travel content, addiction recovery, sobriety, any of the topics, FIFO, which is fly in, fly out work, day in the life videos, fitness videos, and the list goes on, please subscribe to the channel. And if you're wondering what a coffee is, that is my way of monetizing the channel. So if you do want to buy me a coffee, there's a link in the description of this video. Please hit the link. I think the minimum is $3 to buy me a coffee, and it goes directly to my PayPal account. So, if you are enjoying all my videos, I put a ton of effort into them. There's some vlogs from all around the world, and we're trying to build the channel. Please buy us a coffee. It would be really appreciated, because I'm passionate about what I do, and I know there's a ton of you watching because my views have been going up by a lot recently. So everyone, it's not expected, but I tell you what, I would absolutely appreciate it if you guys could dig deep and support my channel by buying me a coffee. So that's enough from me. I hope you enjoyed today's food review. Until the next adventure, I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.